Hey there, I'm Leah Oback.
And my name's Devin Caldwell.
Together we form KG Education, a unique organization that blends professional learning and wellness for educators.
We're here today to tell you about our latest offering. And as experienced educators, we both know that we're facing probably the strangest back to school ever. So KG Education wants to offer you a back to school boost.
We will be running a week-long challenge to get you ready for back to school. There'll be daily fun challenges of tasks that you can do to kind of get ready and boost your back to school experience.
You'll have the opportunity to be part of a community of passionate educators, and we'll share some of our favorite planning and organization tips, both for organizing yourself digitally online, as well as how you'll plan for the upcoming year with a more paper-based approach.
We'll also share some of our favorite self-care practices and get a couple freebies for you there on self-care rituals that you might want to practice this year.
We're running this free challenge from August 24th to 31st, and we would love for you to join us. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at kgeducation.ca and sign up for the challenge at kgeducation.ca/events.
We hope to see you in the group. Until then, enjoy your summer holidays.